You know, a brand and the Gerard Delfo, a Bogo, and so that me my Udinese team, no, na Stadio Luigi Ferrari, no, na just say Sampdoria PC, at the film of Bologna, ever said by 2-1, and so now Horn, stay no, say na big game, no, so to call ye, na my four share, Nimsan Cancraza, Sam, a bit my far, and the Amamo San, and then Diego Armando Maradona Stadium, no, let's say SSC Napoli, and so to me, and Hellas Verona. Etime ball 1-1 Giovanni Di Lorenzo ese go ade Napoli ana afenso no Giovanni Simoni Diago Simoni ne bano no ono so no etime teka no ade Hellas Verona tino no ese Giovanni Fono ana no mubogo so no enso na game no na Stadio Giuseppe Meazza San Siro na ese ne no na de Milan derby sort ya say Milan derby no to me to dwa na ese AC Milan Association Calcio di Milan enso no ade International Milan Inter Milan and etime the ball game no corner we you know yes 1-1 and so and then Stefan De Vrij ebo ongo pressure card to na table and my AC Milan nya lead you know the demand and you know former AC Milan player Abranta ni dey ade ha kanka no glue and so bete kano and so netimi adima aye Inter team na 1-1 and sa game no so no etimi ekowie na Stadio Carlo aye Castellani na just say in Empoli and so na Genoa etimi ebo 2-2 and so na league table no Italy ni Napoli and so na di kan 32 points AC Milan etosumienu and so na 32 points Inter Milan abatosumiensa awa 25 points and afin so no Atlanta team no and so na tosu 9 and so no 22 points Lazio etosu enum 21 points na afin so no AS Roma etosu ensiam 19 points Juventus no etosu anwoche and so no 18 points say na go kin chat netie the Italian Serie A nemu Abranta ni dey Ciro Immobile and so no etimi awa Lazio team ma ono so no etimi ase ye 10 goals and so na Giovanni Simoni Genoa ono so etimi bo 9 goals na afin so no Duvan Vlahovic and so etimi ase 8 goals na afin so Edin Dzeko Inter Milan ono so no etimi apo 7 goals Spanish La Liga me fa table no and fan to jam fama modia anopano but the results in by league say na league table next year rest of that they didn't kind and so 28 points Real Madrid etosu no 27 points Sevilla etosu miensa 27 points na fin so no Atletico de Madrid team no and so etosu 9 23 points FC Barcelona we should have etosu enkron 9th position and so no 17 points and no Barcelona afi nyamu benya no league table no sana so sifa eko na go kin chat no ne pichichi no the La Liga ni no say netie Karim Mustafa Benzema Real Madrid Watima 10 goals Brandon Ide adi Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz and so no etuma 7 goals Raúl Di Thomas Espanyol about 7 goals na fin so Vinicius Jose Pazzo de Oliveira Jr. ono so na Real Madrid Vinicius Jr. I don't know ono so no etumi after 7 goals the English Premier League yamfa eneno league table no and afin so go kin chat no and from out there Chelsea din kan and so now 26 points so na Manchester City Citizens no etosumi no 23 points West Ham United abetosumi ensa and so now 23 points na afin so Liverpool you will never walk alone so no etoso and crown and I say 9 yes Liverpool etoso 4th position and so now 22 points na afin so now the Gunners Arsenal beat Manchester United on tie Arsenal tosu enum 20 points na fin so no Manchester United I'm sorry guys first opening game SN9 say enum Manchester United tosu ensiam and so now 17 points etene and now Arsenal so etima here the English Premier League a few matches here both first 3 games so no Arsenal at 20th position and you know ya bad ya kwa enima anisa Arsenal be tosu enum Manchester United. Say at the bottom half so it's right here. Burnley at also 18th position. 8 points. Newcastle at also 19th position. Hey, and you know been Saman by Newcastle at also 19th position. 5 points now. So Norwich City and so at also 20th position. And also 5 points. Top scorer at no 10 at here. Mohamed Salah Ghali Liverpool. What you must 10 goals. Jamie Vardy and so no Leicester City. What me. Asha 7 goals na fin so no Mikel Antonio and so no West Ham ono so no etumi asha 6 goals so ho and then sama and then so to draw the English Premier League nima yan so no yatumi ade atu yete for me nko na fin so yan fan sem ba kum yenu fan to draw and fan ma there right at here Branto sina kan ma FC Barcelona team no akoda wo so the thing any Ansumani Fati Branto against Ayebo ko anidim at the Celta Vigo no Branto ni bo go na chire no otumi ko pry hamstring injury and Branto ni dey Ansumani Fati esunet ma ko pekina and pay doctors no etumi hwa Branto ni chire ma 4 to 6 weeks then bra abrante ne dey Ansu Fati enso no ebetumi atena fie enteneno and then reporter but Aston Villa onim news ne da Dean Smith and yetima pamono enso no atumi fie Aston Villa team no ma and then reporter and also na Phil Jones muda so kai no United for muntie ne ye Phil Jones reporter enso no chirem say January abrante no so no ebetumi jana kwan United team no ezan so ba ye in the last 2 years abrante no mobo emfa ma United team no and Phil Jones kodu pamono and so that me the United team nti my fancy in some of them say doors to name on yese na fata southnom and then so no yetumi ere aba right out right up say be fine
super yami adom yaba yes yaba be fine yes easy we can know I have something which is there bisa but ya hoye pa yaba
sem
ofie ba kotoko for the asem ba
I'm saying
and we ga krom we ni and supporters go show be Jonathan na dia wa sempo no kila oh anu ya kwan
kwan na dey cast
say kwan but also you're very careful nti one you're very careful na ye ba supporters na kasa you bia
okay.
Super.
Okay. And Tony, for you too.
Yanko.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And DJ can want. The Rishimwa. A day what dog can want.
Anthony Writer.
Zuba. Yeah, well, we have first time to social media so farmers generative family still. Okoman Radio 97.1 flight number 97.1 tour Okoman so no enya feria gromeso kachonia no so kanchenia se nya transfer Okoman Global Sports Okoman so no enya feria gro watch media so bedino the payro so of subetimi from the writer commentators present occupation the permicotiasis in the stars and some the doso ya baba se Pythagoras to ofia no nya de seso kato Okoman so no enya feria gro tempe share the free Ghana Premier League match day 2 over the cannot pay ni behwe enya fedia gro shashia aya dano fiada West Africa Football Academy atrafie ato inside the glorious across folk na game no eba na we no bia tumi ahye ne nyanko ba ko a na onkomo so no enya fedia gro so na as good ene Carolina United ebo 1-1 Lagos City achi RTU ebo na Academy ansa wotumi esi mumie no so na Aduana Stars atifie ama shocking results bobo kwandin ade ayakin voice anyame aduma ebe wini Alhaji Guru Samrante no etumi etwi form so ebo ma Academy ansa wo mo etumi Simba Kosaso and Dreams of to farm Echo Piemu Ewo yes Fantime Kwachi Bobo Kwantin the Almina Shasha Bon Economy and Sa one so etme Timba Kosaso na Krobia Kumasi as some Tekarko and Rapi Nibesha Ewo Kumase Babayara Sports Stadium after so much Bobo Kwantin at the Aye Becher United Hunters etme Bom Economy Noir one so to me in Sima the Braka Brantian team at the Aye Abdul Ganune Samuel Boatin and etme Bogos and Ba Krobia Kumasi as some Tekarko and Ra yes na be Kumasi a Onkoma so no anya fedia gona kopia be krum Chelsea and 11 game no obi no timi at the ball eto nyanko atene Accra Great Olympics Woli Gbogbo Oli Mashi Oli Ju Oli Rosalenda Oli Konson Concentra our Accra Sports Stadium Sunday night football omochi Accra line so bomo Academy ansa womo etu team akwa Brantian team at the Max Shokwe a boy hat-trick the first player to score a trick in the Ghana Premier League Brantian team at the Max Show Abekwe and drawing up 3 goals no Ediba Bobo Quatin at the Accra Great Olympics come so no anya fedia gromediama and Gold Stars game on 24 E2 Ashada in 24 E2 Ashada San Samediama Takwati and Park on 24 at the Abatu just say amu NCC near Jom CSA and one more game no Gold Stars no o metimi abo ho come so no anya fedia grover the weekend coaches no come on na anya fedia head coach Edma Bobo Quatin aso foko ranting at Samuel Bodi Papi Eden Kuma Kradia ba say yes Abraham Kowafa Suga Kopeno wom your margin say goes no person goes no but the be na difficult so be Kowafa na a big team na wetimi abo eye one goal kra na obede urade ase say ya and now down Friday no eye wo eye Red Bull Arna Suga Kope.
Yeah, what I can say is that's not a game plan. We decided to break the things here, but it's quite unfortunate. We didn't take the maximum points. We drew with them, but that's not bad. Playing with the offer in their home grounds, and at least score a first goal. We need to concentrate as well till the end of the game. But it's rather unfortunate we couldn't. Yeah, tactically, what I would say is both teams did well. They played well. For my team, they played to the instruction with the tactical approach. How I want the team, the shape of the team is fantastic. But just that we lost concentration with the latter part of the game.
And to we ane Okoman head coach Ere Mabubo Kwantin Ere a house of folk Rantin Ere Samuel Bodwadia Ba. Here's the match and at your first of 4 fans no Montalaku equal the 4th match no house of folk Kowa the Kowa Omeka Babak.
Maybe from 4th match going, things will change. When our house of folk started picking up, it's unstoppable. Kofi coach, as of now, what you expect from Kofi is not yet up. We know that he is, but we are still working on his condition wise. So when he come up, I think it will help the team as well. They are very disciplined. Their tactical awareness is okay. They are very young. They run a lot, but we strategize to not allow them advance, because whenever they cross the center, the only thing that they play fast game to advance. They won't come back. So we plan to block them always. When they get the ball, they should send the ball back or send the ball to the ring so that their wings too are blocked.
And to we ane Okoman head coach Ere Mabubo Kwantin Ere house of folk Rantin Ere Mr. Samuel Kofi Yesu Wadia Ba. Here's the Emma Genetia for na Lagos City etumre eshe out to academy and san. Womo etumeti mu menu no na head coach Rantin Ere Maxwell Kunedu Ere to just say yes. The game was very interesting. Na oshe out to boys na. Washe mo game against Accra Great Olympics intino Shia Bibi kakre fimo ba osha Bubo Kwantin out to first half no bomb kakra, second half no Lagos City on so mebo bia ne sa yenti some Rantin Ere Maxwell Kunedu Wadia Tuja.
It has been a very interesting game. Both teams did well in both halves. I think they played better in the first half. We came in strongly in the second half to score a couple of goals. Saying that, I've seen this team when they were in the first division, and I saw them against Olympics. Transformation in the team is wonderful, and I respect them for that. On our side, we were finding it very difficult to penetrate their back line in the first half. But we went in the second half and we came back very strong and had a couple of goals, like 2 goals. That's changed everything. So I can say that they played in the first half and we played in the second.
And we ane Okoman head coach Ere Mabubo Kwantin Ade Lagos City Maxwell Kunedu Wadia Ba. Here's the Emma Genetia for Shaibu Ibrahim Tanko a head coach Ere Mabubo Kwantin RTU Pape in Okoman Akwaaba ba. Esa wo hwe ni players na fiance na bebre no first time we bought the Ghana Premier League nti anto aboase mo na boys no so mo ya imagine so mo click here teams how do no munjina nchen
Players into Premier Division. So definitely they have that sort of fear in front of goal. When things begin to click, I think clubs will be in trouble in our hands. It's a good game on our part, except that we lost the match mysteriously. How we lost this match, because the team played very well. It wasn't anything strange. It happens in football. Substitutes are brought in to change. It's full of ball jugglers, and for that matter, if we are in good state, I mean the team will play as expected. So that was what you saw this afternoon. It's an old team.
And we ane Okoman Ibrahim aya Shaibu Tanko head coach Erma RT Wadia Ba. Here's the Emma Genetia for head coach Ere Mabubo Kwantin Ere Kropia Kumasi Asante Rantin Ere aya Dr. Prosper Nate Ogu Papi Ere Okoman Akwaaba ba. I say yes na boys no obebo ma ba so pa because 9 minutes of the game no now boys no to me actually 2 goals there obebo ma so, but system opese boys no update last minute e ko no opese fiance na boys no ebe mass system no akachi omu.
It's good. I mean, it was a very good game, and it's good for me because if you look at how tactically the game was, they were very defensively organized, and because of that, they didn't allow us to play those penetrative passes, and it was difficult for us to actually get the ball behind their defense. Still keep to our game plan. We always trust in our process. Even when it's difficult, we trust that we can still score. So no matter the situation, we don't change our style. We keep to the game plan. we keep to the principles involved in the game plan, and that's what we've been doing. I think we've just started, so with time, it's a game model, it's a new game model I'm trying to develop, and I'm trying to put in them, build in them, so it will take some time. So with time, I think one, they will be used to the game model, and two, they will be used to playing in front of a very big crowd like this at the Babayara.
Head coach Erma Krobia Kumasi Asante Korkorati Ade Prosper Nate Ogum en Komodia Ba Yadi Erma Genetia for Great Olympics Abrantia Team Ade Maxwell Abekwe Andra the first player to score hat-trick in the Ghana Premier League Andra Uja Naso Ebo 3 goals Edema Great Olympics Abramoshe Accra Lions Academy and Sam wo to me team Akwanemu and Abrantia no betuja as the first of all obede trade upon Yakopon Basa Yadom Nase no adane boys Nase some first game Kobo against LT you know na enya fedia grow but boys no back to the drawing boards no we mo be the coach and worker ne system na no and more and dra we mo to me only by 3 goals to 1.
Well, first of all, I give thanks to coach and the playing body as well. All I will say is that we played a draw game last week, of which no one was expecting that draw, especially with the playing body. But unfortunately for us, we had a draw in Tamale. So we came back home, and then I think we came to the drawing board to do our corrections. We have to, by what coach taught us at training grounds, we have to score more. So that is exactly what we did in the game today. Even in the first half, I went close to coach saying we have to defend the goal because the boys are really attacking more. And he said, we have to go on attack too and then get more goals, of which we did, and then resulted to go to a victory to us.
Accra Great Olympics player Maxwell Abe Nkomo also Andre Diana Stars elusu by 3 goals to 1 King Faisal ebom after the game supporters ni buofu eso radin ya Sarubedi akon head coach Erma Ayabo Kwadi Ade Adriana Stars yen sake no so goalkeeper no Joseph no wasa Adriana supporters no omo ebuofu pa yen tie nsema Androm de tuja
supporters never can stand just a father yen yan what num yen different keeper go to the so nya de ni changes bia anya ade do fanti ma mate na de be yes am crofo we no no wa be hu krom bia na mugamu so wo wa train no ho adena e be bo odua so nya wana me ko ka na be bo me wate na bia ndi awurade nya me keeper we nya de just a father go no kuno kasa no adua na ni keeper nya de sie adua na ni wo fase go no kasa no me ke pare nya de coach nya de yen hia no what you know bedi aku bedi di hire afanye coach bedi aku hia no bedi aku di hire keep coach ya what you know yen hia no
and no and Rafans no many abre yes we don't need bedi ayo omunya
Sarubedi akon omunya
goalkeeper no Joseph do omunya no kra and no Kotoko already kind 6 points plus 4 goals King Faisal 6 points plus 3 goals. Great Olympics 4 points plus 2. Lagos City 4 points plus 1. Top 4 no. Now Ube Piemo and now share house of Foka on the 10th position 2 points. 2 points.
Out of 6.
Out of 6 they have getting 2. So they are trying. And Krofa dama kasende ye break leg na nasa leg ya bowie na so mo relegation na no nie bubo ko adin e de Adriana Stars. Mina Sharks and Mediama. Enti no. Mediama was standing game against Bubu Kwadi and the Go Stars. Enti omba bo say takwa no so omo nye park na. We for club lands so.
Yeah, they say ukwada.
Yeah, sure mo. Don't be be wo sure. Nyame adoma and Hazakes ladies and Bubu Kwadi the SM Mandy and at Berry in terms. So first game we need by 3 goals to 1. Enti nyame adom na sendom hwini a omba benya 6 points na omoko minima nesa enti no on there 5 o'clock na womo ene bobo kwantin at the SAS Mendy and at the very in terms so ewo ayedwume se kotoko fans no yamfe fancy na ewia ebe ya enube nye ana yenti kotoko fans no
omokasa enwume
even no say Koma kasapa. Last part na me guy asininia last part. Oye izo. Fancy no. Ebido na ya back into the spirit. I see. So, Entino no Medino, the writer, commentator, A.K.A any team no. Etiaso.
Entino writer. And I'm saying Kano Entino and Jabu Yafo. Ebe join him in our fins no yetimi Edin Komo Fia Club ya Sante at Ewa na fins no Jeff Kufu Boateng and so no Ewo Fia ha yehwe na Edin Komo na Bibia so no etimi akoso kama aha and no ntino Ghana Premier League weekendi etimi to dwa na say teams in any Brediana Stars supporters nedwa pa Omoja, but Omunya Butre. Sansona Krobia Kumasia Santi Koroko. I'm to me, I am 2 out of 2. And so no, Bibia bet me, I fine. And so no, I don't know. And I feel so no, Mediama, our standing game. Yeah, I'm standing game at Ukwada. I'm meeting me about top flight major European leagues and so to me to draw Liverpool. Shockingly, Emma and you know, West Ham. It's me, Ebe Shomo. 3-2. Sansona, Chelsea. Let's not fear drop your point against Burnley. And so our horn I think so no Manchester United. Let's not fear Old Trafford. Emma Manchester City. And so no team by 2-0. And I don't know. I mean my big 4 Akwaaba. Senior save you fine.
Okay.
Udem.
Okay.
Kwame save you fine.
Again. If you come, Ogasa form too much again. Dabi.
We are fine.
Dabi.
We are very fine. Aye, so video
Ni video nde say me na me kita video ni.
If you have a count.
Oh yeah. No man dey out.
Say no. Say me de make kana we mu me pe. No an say me call Okoman radio live stream na me add to comment section him. Na just say am say nyina be hu say e bia nya aturu bia na abosire mu kan bi. Yo na just say me de no kwari nkua.
Yeah, so me jodi.
Oh yeah.
Me jodi.
Me de no kwari.
And you be 10 now.
Yo.
Okay. But say bia fine.
Oh, nyame adom menua.
Yan share top flight major European leagues now. Yan share 3 minutes. Na you made come off baby over the far.
Okay, me main comment Ebewo FC Barcelona. The arrival of Xavi Hernandez. So when you say I'm the FC Barcelona dame komaso.
Okoman radio.
Me say in football how also me team way so me the FC Barcelona I don't care me do. With the arrival of Xavi Hernandez, no, I say me no, mixed feelings kakra. For a club of the stature of FC Barcelona, no, and I share Xavi Hernandez current experience na, na suru kakra, but so we share trend of coaches, recently, and I share trends of coaches in general. We say what I share coaches are former defenders and midfielders, no, I want what I had. Wingers and strikers are what I'm down coach, you know, when yard, one time yard. We share Thierry Henry, one Filippo Inzaghi, no money.
A friend, a Ukraine guy,
Shevchenko, money at the bounce of Osha and Kuye. But we share top coaches now, people like Pep Guardiola, no money are there. So one way midfield campings. Even look at way recent form, Patrick Vieira, recent form. Osha one. Who should be a background? Antonio Conte Muniade. Show one background.
Have you know Mikel Arteta of Arsenal now?
Also one coaching style near different. But and with the arrival of Xavi, I say we're making some key requests from the Barcelona board. Says to me Yemana of Elisa ne 10 years as Barcelona coach, no Ebekoye. First of all, no, would be said they should overhaul medical team, no, Emano. Because no, so we share Barcelona injury list in this year now. We have almost about a full first 11 of players to say when you know what's bench because of injury. So now on every match day in Ube Hununa, Barcelona presented some depleted side. Emma team in Ebre. You know, or requested first of all say Barcelona ain't overhaul medical staff no totally. to help revamp the training regime and the training systems. No, senior beya bibia beko wano. And right now I was na me share video be from one of the YouTube commentators on Barcelona's training regime and system, and I was shocked at what was going on. Ex-players like Malcolm made a comment, say Barcelona training no very light, say at most 40 to 50 minutes once a day. Not just say training I ended, and during the analysis no analyze Ousmane Dembele's style of play and the reason why he's almost always injured. And according to statistics, 85 to 90% of the time, Ousmane Dembele's play is solely based on quick sprints. So 85 to 90% of the time, he's always on the sprint. He's a very fast player. But then during training, he's sprinting only 20% of the time, which means his body is not prepared well enough to come and sprint on the pitch. Into pitch so akakra na we pra. Into most of Barcelona players now injury muscle injuries, muscle related injuries, because fitness levels ain't high enough for them to withstand that level of play. And I think Mametia say the reason why some players like Iniesta and the likes, I retire in them because I feel Iniesta should be playing top flight football by now. I mean, people like Andrea Pirlo, Muniade, they played to almost 40.
Even Zlatan is playing.
Zlatan, Muniade, and so it was such an indictment of the training regime of FC Barcelona, which was once regarded as one of the best, medical systems in world football. I think secondly, he also requested, medical director now serve from 97 till 2018. They will return him to lead by Hospitalet Medical Center, because most of the success of the physicality of new players, was based on that man. But I think only Joseph Bartomeu fracas kakrebi somewhere around 2018. And on Emanika say he would like to part ways with Barcelona after 25 years of work. And the third request was the fact that he's coming with his own backroom staff, a 7-member backroom staff, and I was very, very happy about that. Say, because time already Okoman, I said, says we're Okoman without Pamu backroom staff and dia, and in Nasaki near waste, because the backroom staff forms an integral part of every modern day's coach in success. And so Guardiola has like a whole army of backroom staff. Wabuano many teams, wabo the way wabono. So with these three requests from Javino, Emame Edidasubi say he's serious about Ejumano Obabe, not to even talk about the fact until ni pay so just to be able to come and coach Barcelona. Nina Emma me Nijeni and Daso or you been so he came from the Barca Academy and played all his days as a Barcelona player. And to know what kind of Barca way of playing football now, he understands it. I think he even said during his interview, he would have to have a chat with Ousmane Dembele on how to play as a Barcelona winger. So what I say, and to know, me hope he say, we munyina na wakikan, we munyina na yaten one from memono. What be you masa na me team FC Barcelona have an intermape for review.
Okay, I know Jeff Akufu Boateng and I'm watching Kano no Barcelona dear to his heart and a church mo kama to Javin Waba Eshenia on also a bit Krabia Santimamintio.
Okay, a very good afternoon. Na ene ukopiemu akoko aso aboyesu na ebiemu ho na ne wa mu se womanya keka wonsa se kakra wacheche wona mbi ni ade awe a akoko aso yo unze
ene jake wana ato awe dia
nti ene mitia akoko aso bibia ho boyesu ni nyina
ana bon fa bi ma
travel and see fo no wo mu nyina etumi abochenku
wo fa bi ma
etiri no
san ka chere won so won fa bi
okay wo akende won ate wakende
aha yen san fa nchia on then
okay ndi ene wakende Nze wo muti enti wo mu de be ejuma na che se bibia tumi aye kama AK weekend na derbies kakra e wo Europe be ba ku mienu bia na ye very important and EPL ni mu no na Manchester United against the Citizens say Manchester City a wo mo e de win them so but wo share the situation any problems around Manchester United wo mo club na hu hia say wo share Pep Guardiola no nso lose to any Crystal Palace oba hard time say obi hu say Guardiola lose 2 consecutive games or the same competition mu intina we lose to Crystal Palace we Etihad no na hu be hia say obekọ all out na wetumi akọ win Old Trafford because United enim no enhye da United that we know because wo share their only editing no ekwa enhye da enkoyie enti wo mutumi boa ma wo nso etumi enya that 2 goal leader wo modi win ni ho and eno enhye da enye news kakra because United situation wo mum sisi ane de enye news say Manchester City ehye ho a yentumi enka ho asem bebre ho no elsewhere ewo ene no the derby de la Madonnina San Siro ukopiemu ho a the Rossoneri's against the Nerazzurris awomo edi Asia honomo International di Milano any Association Calcio di Milano ana womo so edi ebueni ho and this season no AC Milan etumi start season no on a high note awomo etumi about 12 matches etumi win 10 out of 12 etumi draw 2 honomo I think say their dada then make can say AC Milan if say won betumi aye bribia this season no ana won so betumi a battle for the Scudetto na won so etumi ewini elho and we game a won the current champions etumi edibuani Inter Milan na game no etumi ekoye draw after I go down na won mutumi ba betel kanu through and Fikayo Tomoria deflection no etumi ekoso from De Vrij ago no etomoye 1-1 elhonement etumi aboa AC Milan maneno woman so at the top war and 12 games na AK we need 10 there I think say Stefano Pioli and Suguso a oye ejuma kakra o hwe wo mataka and Olivier Giroud 35 years and Zlatan Ibrahimovic 40 years but still now one more goals no 26 goals and a woman to me share
29
on cry he's been out for their last 5 matches no we pray out to me and Bobby the likes of Salimakais of Belgium and Rafael Leao that Portuguese young chap no game a one more ball honomo na up front Rubenya the aged no yes
Brahim
Diaz very fantastic
Charlie Mayford Frank Yane Kesse Ismail Banacer of Algeria na Obenya Tonelli the new Andre Pello of Italian soccer no Fikayo Tomori any Abrante Romagnoli or Simon Kaya at the heart of the defense you know Theo Hernandez one of the best left backs we've seen in the last 3 years penny goal contribution assist everything no we say team no though one more young team and one penny for kakra one so eboa dressing room and I think say 10 out of 12 and drew 2 matches no I think say 12 games unbeaten for AC Milan one more eboa but Napoli Luciano Spalletti now I think Sanka playing at the Maradona Stadium no na Verona ubetumi ejesa 3 points no netumi aboa ma won so wetumi extend lead no because my favorite said this season no woman ebetumi win because AC Milan na make am asem no need that huge squad and as a squad depth that won betumi dia compete with the likes of Napoli and Inter Milan and Osha Napoli squad that won war binume prepare na Onas no wetumi aba ne ade no okay I think so betumi nya win but won so etena fie ball 1-1 honoma AC and so more concerning Napoli but I think still now Napoli our chance of winning this year's Scudetto. Okay, last Friday me din kan e de tuga say no yemba no Ghana no ana ube bribi afem na yaba
obafie sa obafie obon
nti ye bribi fem say bia
okay so your network in here yeah chef isem
yeah na if okay President ES Okreku ene no young IGP Dampare omo etumi atenase say da no fiada enwumre no meeting ekoso kese pa Accra ACP DOP ene Kumase Kofi Buachi no womo nyina etumi hia the executive board our GFA ESCO members ni nyina ene each of the 18 clubs now, one more about premiership, no, one more CEOs, and I say whoever would in the because on call rep club, no, one you need to me a boy. My name, no, Nana Amponsan, any Hatofo operations manager, other clubs, one you know to me at the Crawford Kojine Musa, one more boy. Yeah, it was a meeting now, one more shares, and him say, Neya, Dampare to me a man who many ya, Nioma Ecoso or Mangana Muno, Oliganism Ecoso, one more epekwan won't be to me they deal with those hooligans are one more bring a game no into disrepute or in various centers no into one call eco pm some meeting church no and so it to me a course so and they know Dampare to me are sure the GFA current GFA say they are ecoso away in stadium no enya dia ebro Ghana embra biaso enti se ne wona mabonten na wo dia ba ebo biti na yetumi ejeli udi a sanso na various centers no se yetumi si a wonso yetumi ejeli umeye ube kaya Ghana football ankasa no ye nkai se asimesi enam true hooliganism so na se hooligan so na ye de kire asimesi bibia wodi nsemhunu wo stadium wona wo mko free into this time round no
yeah how many times and Ghana Football Association
yeah
Asia the various IGPs and waba this particular issues hooliganism any other but you see no results. I remember Yunra Santia P Dubai the same
sure
getting
initial
Dubai
proud
the same thing happened now. Dampare, but I'm not saying that Dampare to me.
Yeah.
But
I understand.
If you know, any police no, one kita wudi ebasani amabi ma ye muche. It's da very state. It's da you bro referee, you bro player, you bro coach, supporters two good teams, you know so.
I think that culture of what bro referee, that thing should stop. I think should really stop for a football nation of the pedigree of Ghana. No. Let's say I didn't cry young football up to the lowest division of football. I think that thing should stop. Looking at young Papa Dampare track record or their start here, we are hoping, we are praying, we are hoping, and we are optimistic. Say, I feel that anybody that will try near maybe and Fata Ghana football or Park Biano, when in BD. I say when you need papa because that is the first time already by Ghana. What senior Ghana for play football near there. No, what Ghana stadium and then something like this happens. I mean, we been now the record back to new country about how we play our football in Ghana. Say what say hooliganism. No, if they are able to stamp it out of young footballer, you will see how beautiful our game is.
Me jadi say young papa de obey to me obey bribieke obey to me into a very good way our more idea bana me try say me so me bomb penny for about so say
I'm not talking of me I make maybe you police now. I'm not using Dampare as in person.
Sure.
Incident between me or various stadium Dampare wouldn't be there.
Yeah.
Police team no or personnel no but
what take any
I call lower division. I call division B. I call commander on cash
and for now
so
yeah okay so
you go share across sports stadium Kumasi people remember our juvenile football your coast league division 1 division 2 all crowd sabi
what is no manuel koso sasa
because me the first time I may experience hooliganism
was that
which was Kwame Mpere and it was ugly
said I can say in your videos near there and no na videos circulate ubenya some of the victims one pictures near there and you know I hope say okay no but in all who's no DHM there and
police personnel were there, they were present, but don't want make you one arrest the crime. Police makers two were there, armed military men were there. Make you one,
and now we are into a new season and a new laws.
But sad no, let's not just pin it on just the hooligans making noise and causing a ruckus on fields in Epe. Most of them are backed by clubs and CEOs and a hierarchy now. One hand walk off our high ones, one the one may to trust them or park and also just to disrupt.
So when the police arrest you, CEO, Okoman and our club administrator con Ombra, no me you.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Next point, you know, yebebo any Ghana maiwa omako piemu okero Egypt woman so the Women's Champions League no abaso. Unim say me catch say at the end of the 90 minutes na 3-1. Correct score. 3-1 and it came to pass Pepe Pambayo no it to me about 3 goals Evelyn Bedu it to me about 2 goals and a Pepe Chwa Ejekum and so Edeba so on heavy and I know Black Queen's captain I know on so a captain Janet Ejinetiwo and you know Blessing Shine woman no very optimistic say ne 5 p.m. sharp woman AS Mandi of Mali and our monso wamode second game no esha say oh na utie nsema Yusuf Bazigi no mo e kan na utie say their camp etia onkrofo no womonso elusu to enenu Digla of Egypt enti no womonso ba no eye ni bre na womode ba enti ye hwe enim say na ye mawa no enso bebo wom homodin ye papa na second game we no it won't be as easy as said ya womo board the Equatorial Guineans no. So what I say, it won't be easy as that game, no, because Equatorial Guinea for no and Sheda we be to Mali in terms of women football and Mali for no and what ding our mode baby remuno and ye fedia grow el honumutino Azakes ladies no said the amidi can generated you no ebe bomb ding say nay one ball bang at to bang with 3 on a bang one so that post new no to me abuana perpetual anomono eneno Evelyn Bedunum to me abuana HSA nim one so no womunya wo chances are wo to me utilizing HSA and also at the second we no to me abana HSA ya qualify to me at the akoyenim ti my one eduma wo mo bono ano Eden ewo Egypt wa woman so no yembo o mabaso elho eki
na ayiro kan mi asem
man football eki sa un say FIFA TV so to me try and I need so never live on GTV
me yawe me just say woni je me
ajumedum game no me share up to 62nd minute and I me jai 62nd minute pepe and I me to me
jai baby ojai on
oje
ukokodu baby ojai
dabi game no edu baby na network ni yewe ya na FIFA TV try or YouTube ntina me wona na me hweba and then so ni be pay attention na okay GP ono matches a hold on answer to me koso na teams bi wa mo say abaso body
Ghana time
about
2 minutes
nti me bo Kinfesa babies abaso
onye Kinfesa babies Kinfesa babies what base can find out
Kinfesa ya mo abaso na dia wo mo koye wodoma no woni say me no me yi wo mo say wo mo ye me team of the week and our brand a friend no despite Maxwell Abekwe ebo hat-trick no ewo Olympics Accra Sports Stadium no against Accra Lions no our tip still Usman Ibrahim Kotoko player no Bolon
and come be so Kotoko you have a certain Usman Ibrahim and I don't know say Jeff won't share any but one day
even last season Okolo never Kinfesa and Kotoko na Italy better than
Kotoko strikers after Kotoko striker be
Usman Ibrahim
Usman Ibrahim and above to the club again
Cologne
another striker
and radio ye wodo man na no ye
and very young boy very
first game no wo share assist now or
yes
wo mu dinya that one assist no ana say no baby on born as right winger e cut in when in bobo into ono no ye me player of the week am nso me yi no e ho na team of the week no enso ye Kinfesa dia wo mkoye wodoma na ehu wo hwe se ne adoma supporters wo mu su
and sister obefi baby akọ win wodoma had to feel finding difficult but a team like Kinfesa and we share group of players Adriana Kuria na and you losing to Kinfesa
okay young one saying the supporters no are started calling for the exit of
coach
Joseph Ado
Joseph Ado with his experience in a Ghana he has been a goalkeeper for the Black Stars the local Black Stars
what makes me use legendary status cry man because Joseph Ado
being in a Ghana experience no cry no now she goes Sena
no and dry which a second no
Joseph Ado ebia unze players ebo ha wenyi onyinga started training but unze Ghana had young football age in Aden Inti be according to football age, be after na 30, baby or be 43 or baby.
Like me,
I never all reflexes on the I don't know. I poor agility ni I don't know say na Eric Chikakra. Nti bo ha ball bi e be fa na ho pe na afi udwo nkuni ye oyawi wa wontumi mbo mu ase na won kire nti ube hu anse ne say striker bi nso hu sade ne ball bi e be bia na ode na mo na ho pe na erishe we ni
now utumi monitor weekend you monitor the Ghana Premier League
there be weekend did na I was indisposed kakra into no
weekend
na man
we film you it's meant me weekend did but so long as fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko still yet that top of the GPL ne de nature say yerekwa anima na sa ya to say yem penalty bia e bai bi no and ya
that game not red card we will sanke
oh and no the yenyina ye jetum
red card straight
yenyina ye jetum say sa bond na red card na sayekutia
na emma became supporters na kan
thinking about that the red card issue I draw me attention to something and me pese make one sem kakra about Cristiano Ronaldo too much is ni anytime who says will be lose bia no I say he tries to
do something
intentional foul be as will be in a fimo said then but I don't know he did it in the Liverpool game
but you know
he did it in the Liverpool game and then he did it this past weekend in the City game.
Okay, Adeba Kwame Mpere say GPO ni mu ha no ye be ye na be ma and also be come supporters down kakra no ye that referees review panel no unse very good say mo beba now unse Ronaldo game no any was it Liverpool no referees review panel at the by say it was a clear record and then this morning before I made bano referees review panel EPO ni no esan dia ba say Lucas Digne of Everton and na was onya record so say eba ne sa na supporters ni so so oh wo monya bribi agina so say even after say referees crampo cortiners no wo mo dey buy because me hu say if say you per say hooliganism ni adin so fie mbobokum na wo hwendra record a referee nje na later okoje sa penalty no any we no accord the other way because they should have won Kotoko anka record ne buyer anka be chembe win Kotoko hands down and into per that no so what say you be 3 points so eba ni sa and also etumi dey this angani I don't know eba some of the supporters say no and yenso yenti ase
but penalty in the near penalty near penalty because look the player was in motion he was in full flight so any small contact will change his trajectory of movement and it will cause him to fall down ABS yenya better slow motion angles bia and I would have given a proper assessment as to whether there was proper contact.
But from
Angola start times we were I mean I can contest say it's a penalty.
Okay. How to fuck some guys say how to fuck one west we no Red Bull 1-1 draw and for the first time how to fuck be go and also to me by and you know you be born I was now how to fuck A.K.A because in the last 3 competitive games one more winning game in all competitions and Premier League first 2 matches no I think say Obi Bekan say last season one more winning league you know but one man start year is not always never say one start year but wait to me be winning league so it's something so I don't know Kadebia say slow starters no anyway so
but coach somebody do I promise fans
because no
match week 4
it is teams are wabona it is unacceptable from the champions they say these 2 clubs though one more clubs are only one way but how to folk ni Legon City say ne wafa na
one thing I've noticed I think how has team concerning their results I'm not surprised our results because how to folk we need against Wafa.
And
last season, called war form no car no. Out of 6 points against Legon Cities no, we have 3. We are first league. They lost to so they drew one of it. They couldn't pick all the 6 maximum points. And the next game against Ediana. Very difficult game.
Yeah. Wow.
And I think that's what the coach is saying. Is after match week 4.
Week 4,
we'll
see some change.
We'll make analysis be maybe say from match week 4. Although Ediana last season or say Ediana was crap.
Yeah.
But also lose many brother. At the focus so instead pick it up here with a new squad on when you know. So I think that's what.
And munya chance in far flowers and I didn't share with him on go park.
Not being fair to me.
Na mukura pride. Mukura pride. Munya chance in far pride I didn't go park no so. Intina fe na muka.
Part of symbolic.
Which symbolism? Which symbolism?
Me kai koroko ne heart game no. Se ba flowers so so na koroko sukura 7 futura on so 2.
Oh, say
I know the over.
Oh, there also met mami chirem. Mami chire yendi ebetu ya chire.
Okay, chire.
O say asante hini team. Nana anka andanoma so hunza nana de oba ese woto niema eye mrel eye bete gugo na nanto. Into say asante kotokoreba we are representation of nana team. Into no hey na say wodi asawa futuro ni ade na begu ho. Na che say players na ba park no so. Ye na eduru bia no ye mpenduru.
Flowers.
Oh, then Rose. Wakwato kankambu edu di ashe uti ba park so say Rose flower. Rose na flower. Ade ye nim kankambu edu. Uko Roma sorry wo amanfo ase mi finati wo na ubon sa aduane bi so kankambu edu mo teto ashe muti ho. Mato ho ashe. Mi nim ho abakwasem bia. Mato bi ashe muti ho say.
Prosper Nati. Oye we bia mentias you. Because their oil no ebetumi akweti akotoko obefa oh no watch a 5 goals
now you catch a Rakofi soccer team na kotoko they say last minute you be show last minute I say kotoko team no ebia no anko lucky I go share team be so defensively are very good and also nim I got hast last season one then was in the last minutes of their games I know also what man say Ariana start Mr. D Mediama last season, Mr. D. Olympics, Mr. D. So teams don't know who show. Now, well, I say, oh, I am sure I to man from 80th minute. Honestly, was okay. Koroko, yabo 80 minutes on same year. The best thing for me to do is 10 minutes now. Come in defending. You go make points in the film. So I think that's now cannot. You are right. Prosper should do something.
I see no reason why say Uko in the first game. Why winning Brow Brian Sana? I got us no mobile. I won't make changes and. Your second game, Osan Benchi Agada is the only DM you have in your team, and Eban is another ball. Free flowing, so mobile players no Obobia Fabio Gama Mudasiru Salifu Womunina Rich Molamte Molamte proper 10.
Oh yeah, offensive.
Yeah, Womunina offensive players. Now the Agadas at Tinichi later and for the second successive time, it has been Agadas and Isaac upon
and make a difference, you know. Sure.
And you should take note of that. And Abrante Yusuf Mubarak Wasan.
That's a Koroko defender.
Wasan. And
me, the first time you said born on yard was Koroko ball friendly game Mampong against Mighty Jet. That was the time I want to turn Abba. Now make sure Perry in between that time on it. Wahab Adams. And I was like, wait.
No, because last season, second round, say Andrew Sapeo, Ebetu no.
Yes,
and that guy Andrew Sapeo, he plays exactly as has to folk Robert Suwa. Robert Suwa.
I don't know why I was bench
Andrew Sapeo.
I don't know if the way height, you know.
And that Maxwell Ejenim. I want to find, but I think say these are two players are Apeo and Ejenim. One bet to me a good partnership with Abdul Ganiu, Dan, Yusuf Mubarak, and
partnership between
manager
Mubarak and Ganiu, you know, Efa.
That last 10 minutes before our best goes to the annoying.
Recently, I've watched a few matches from the Ghana Premier League. Look, if boys know what proper facilities are, boys never ball.
Seriously, possessive game.
Boys are moving the ball. They are running.
Yes,
they are making tactical moves. They are scoring nice
goals.
And I'm like, wow.
Ashgold last week, not this week. Ashgold first game. David Abagna.
Yeah,
go be or say.
Fantastic. Yeah, if we
Abagna
last season no Ashgold.
The teams no ball. The quality of football is there.
I don't know.
Talent.
Yeah, we are Metro goals. Jeff last season.
Yeah,
goals be a place. We say Jonah Tukwe.
Yeah,
Legon Cities in Ashgold.
Yeah,
goals be a PMO. 5-3. Now goals a PMO. Some match, you know. Almost 3 of the goals, 8 goals, you know. very fun. Contended for European.
Richmond
Lamptey had to folk into allies. Just enter Kakribia.
Even Branty and Roche Atukwe.
Jonah Atukwe, and I make an answer.
Yeah, not long ago, Waka Ghana or Bobola. On shut down, Minam shut down who plays Bia or wing play Bia.
Yeah.
But recently,
yes,
we correct wingers. I say, Jina wing one now we a defender now when Jina Hoyeka.
I had to focus in the Olympics last season. 2 goals at Olympics. One fantastic free kick from Glatin Awako.
Yeah.
Look at the second goal. Across the ball. And see from.
Was it not
Abeku and
look at
brothers.
Look at this.
Maxwell Abeku and Maxwell Ashikwe.
Look at this Division 1 goal. I think it went as far as CNN. The guy got the ball on the wing. The guy got the ball on the wing, dribbled past, I think.
Adiana played.
Dribbled past, I think 4 or 5 players on the wing. And took it to the net. I mean, I think it came on. I saw it on ESPN.
BBC Goal of the Week.
I saw it on ESPN. Before I mean, who said one should go be Sakura or Ghana, and I went to check. I feel say the guys on their own are one who say no, we can play better. Watch a Champions League. They right now, because of YouTube, a lot of people have access to videos of certain players and certain teams.
That particular week, improve was with Luis Suarez and one other player
to improve their style of plays. It's a football no discussion facilities in the bar. Ghana, I think that we'll have some of the most beautiful football on the continent. The guys are doing really good.
Wow. Okay. And you know, I know Jeff a good football thing, and I think some Kobe Asante. And I was thinking, because on the local league weekend, last weekend matches, it make also a very fantastic display by our various clubs and teams. You know, had to folk join our way to Wafa Kodoko, winning at home against Bechem United. And I think, you know, some shocking results. You know, was Ken Faisal going away to Diana Stars at Doma, question 3-1. It was really surprising, and so but and also I don't know, Facebook, you know. Yes, Ujani live and so and then Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook, Samsung YouTube and so no Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter at Okoman 971 and our face on Instagram and so no at Okoman 971 and also Ujani Bibian Sonum a bit to me I fine not Nyama added our but every Upe Bibianum now also went to my ding. Dibia Maka say Nyama Yediko any pedianimuno and no. Any no ehwe umpomudin so say ube beto say onronto say yare bebo yare mo no niama bia yedi eko yen dipedianim enenti any no Don Pablo Pab di niama de papa Don Pablo Pab se men kan for ama chim say eni no what the juice any niama aba onipa de se no num ko nipediama eno so ebetumi aboa na no da odbi ba ya wo nyina abubo obi ama no so etimi ye fine wo mango shake banana shake Sansuna strawberry shake and I feel so carrot shake carrot and mango and you know carrot unu say carrot ebua ema unya proper vision what am I do we chikura unche da huni when you see wisi na unya carrot ibi na carrot shake ibi na no ma oni so beda ho na bibia so no let me I fine Sansuna ni no wo carrot and banana shake dan no na ye fitness wa hey so that banana no eko ni pedima ema energy so I say intending ha it's ma me ko Don Pablo Pab na me ko je banana shake bi me mo na me so me nya energy na bibia so no entumi enye fine sounds so ne ye wo mix fruit shake fruity blend ahoro so to and e dey drink so I say oba na oje bia onuma una wi aboyi why relax on why refresh on na bibia so na den I fine intino Don Pablo Pab ukopuem ha bibia so no ebetimi I fine ene no wo sise wo ye wedding wo ye yi program bia wo ye na bese ba na ebe boa na etumi serve ewa so edemawa obepu Don Pablo Paba sa aso mango shake ni banana shake ni juice nyina so no obetima ba no abeye na afin so no wani matew wo ye program na wo ye heavy a niam wo ye wo program na so no enso no nimu na ye heavy so that say enye fi na obeba no isi menye ibi da bi Don Pablo Paba de entisa ofre ba shakes na horo ni nyina no yebeba na bibia so no etimi akoso ede ama ene no nia me de no say virgin snow white shake virgin Krobia, you know ya what type ni bi. Virgin Snow White Shake.
That's right. That's right.
Osaka now no ma.
Yeah, they are butchera bagana.
Dem Don Pablo Pub.
All right.
It's a Virgin Snow White Shake. No unya now ba. We say ampa uye heavy. Heavy.
We are not so anu this time I eba be so pebri mu anu meyi.
Oh, am ma mu nya dry. The way packaging no so te no. Ono betu ukura na unam. Kakra se potu chena kakra. Na ayinti no Don Pablo Pub aba. And so etimi edi amaye. Eni wo home service nyina. Wo fie na akwa do na afre Don Pablo. Odbebere ofie. But be bro fie. O se bia Don. Eni mi nya banana shake. Ebusuan no ye be 20. Oh, man 5 minutes. Man location, telephone number, GPS, you soon nyina. O the man pay ba. Within 5 minutes. Now Don Pablo and wo fie anima. Or who shakes na bro. Entino ukopiem Don Pablo Paba. They am also a bit my fine. And you know Mandela Johnson. A cropon Mandela Johnson heya. Mandela Johnson heya. Uduwa Don Pablo Pab. And so ana enya shakes nkwa no you krobia. Osan wo wine shop so it's open Abrafon san wine, Italian wine, Spanish wine, South African wine. Ni nyina so no obetima okwa onsa ebetima ka Mandela Junction awa hey. Sanso na udu Christ Junction, Presby Junction wa
Sakode Mandela
Junction
Sakode honuma
Daga P ko twa ko enu kakra bia Mandela Junction wa ubisa Don Pablo Paba
Rokodachi Junior School
krabia intwamu kra ko du Mandela Junction wa ano sanso na Presby Junction Christ Presby Junction wo pe e also wa so ho ntene mu amwo downtown amuntumi back room no do Presby Junction pe
Christ
Presby Junction Christ Presby Junction would wo pe we say ni Don Pablo Pub and so assorted carrot and mango shake, carrot shake, Snow White shake, and a Virgin Snow White shake, Virgin Snow White shake. I know, I don't Pablo, I met Oka, I don't know. Oh, I met Oka, Virgin, I know I'm here. Virgin Snow White shake, you know. I remember my heavy brutal. Yeah, papa. And you went to my friend Don Pablo Pub. Oh, 0557. Top TNE, once I'm talking about 0557 734 882. 0557 734 882. And I say 0552 302 607. 0552 302 607. Don Pablo Pap.
Kasa nso ye wodi ya obetumi a WhatsApp.
Bibia.
Message kra.
Do text na. Obetumi bro.
Send o text bibia obe reply una bibia ya kama. Reply ne beba.
Virgin Snow White shake. Virgin Snow White shake.
SMS obeje also.
Virgin Snow White shake. Virgin Snow White shake. Don Pablo Pap he ma me to ka wo na bibia so no fine. Virgin de unya. Hey, azebaba obaya. Hey, na anyway, Okoman radio mpanyefo say, me kan just say, so be say udu djuma bi, na be say be bon da baby ase no, amanfo nse da nte wonka. Ni nyina no, na ma business na yeden ecoform. Baby ase no, what's the brighten the corner where you are. Nti ni no, odo ntama be bo Okoman radio ntama no a. You bright corner no, na fe so amanfo ehun na udjuma dia odi no, eno so etimi akoso amount. Say we sorry, we your company suku. And no restaurant in the bar, no, Mumayamonka, who be Okoman radio. You know, better na face, yeah, she no, near Bojumana, who didn't the rule, and so etimama. Say no uton to bear, both fruit, and instead of uton, the Konokran, but some for Tonka, baby, I will be ano, who be Okoman radio, they need your casa from Muya. I'm for Betonka, now so why do you my idea about? Well, you better your announcement, say a year bay, ye do you a year neighbor, for where you neighbor, your moan de room not what dofua, and you know, where chichi, and a bench, and say, as I see a year do so, and Yanko Bueno, not on so to me a year, Nina, come radio, or the bedana, yan so be the rule, and so no at me, Ediama, oh, you've been a or you and found coaching for baby, Fabro Okoman radio, ya bomu de rupe, Mubako. I want to walk around the baby. Why do you not hear? On Sabeka, none that I could wallet here. So in the Saka, I saw it. Not once you didn't nation, Nina, you just him over fan. Nina announcement that you made the film. Yes, a BB also, it's me a come. And to no Mumra, nothing's on Okoman radio penny for and made the Juma, na BB also, and Cosso, say, BB, fine. Start, I say, also, who went to my meeting at then. I can't be in and I'm into the Sa, and also at it. But my Okoman radio penny for 0246 435 565 0246 435 565. Ofro Okoman radio mpanyifo esisiye no eda form boko oso no ode osabeka na bibia so no etma fine na yenso yetime dijuma na niama timi atoto na akwa nti won awie oso yasen ama Okoman Global Sports yenso yetime ede by executive producer Eyora Kofi Anton Balfour Sanson na Korea Jiman producer extraordinaire Bobo Ansem nyina no atotu niama ama yenso yetime ede by DJ Tony DJ Zigby eboa ama Facebook no enso etwa edigum club ya sante Otene ka Jeff Kufuate also otene kana office the writer commentator enso no etumi ede afisem enso no etumi ede by baby bia wo utie yan wo hye Nyankopon hyira na onso no onye okese na mekwe ma mechi Cantona wa ban ase Cantona heavy papa Cantona wa ban ase otie show no di Cantona a goalkeeper but also a striker but on poor be 8 matches into 5 goals per Cantona etumi hye di Cantona wa ban ase Cantona we heavy ewie ma mechi na bibia so nefa na mechi akuada ko sechibia amichia no heavy pop me back up no amichia no na bibia ze fine medim ane na Kwame Mpere di ubetima from A.K.A na me pouch na essence be share muchum
ye reshe moi ya de wodoka ho ani je ka ho ya de reshe moi